Here at Excel Machinery, we want you to excel at your job and get home safely each night. We talk a lot about preventing injuries, but it's just as important to know what to do when an injury does occur. Maybe you already know this, but every job site needs an emergency response plan. And no, just calling 911 doesn't count. A real plan has steps to reduce risk of more injuries, allows access to emergency responders, and determine a chain of command. The first thing to do if a coworker is hurt is to administer first aid. Next, make sure whatever caused the injury won't harm more people or damage nearby property. To safeguard the area, you might need to divert traffic, put out a fire, prevent objects from falling, or shut down equipment. Tell whoever is in charge about the incident as soon as possible, even if the injury is relatively minor. Trust us, hiding it from your boss is never a good idea. It's smart for all workers to review the plan occasionally, just to make sure the team is familiar with current procedures and that everyone knows where to find fire extinguishers, spill containment equipment, and first aid kits. We hope this was a good refresher about how important it is to train your team on any current emergency procedures. Now get out there safely and crush your next project.